Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know we're moving around a lot. We are moving and I'm just trying to make do with what I can right now. This window, I looked like I was coming to heaven or something with the glow in the background. It was just ridiculous. I got some new eyeshadows from Lion Cosmetics, and then I cleaned out my Z palette for the first time in like, 7-ish years. Kind of needed it. But yeah, these are all Dandelion. All of these, and then these. That's from Divina, and then ColourPop, and yeah. So I cleaned it out, and then blushes and whatever. Random. So I got some yellows, a green, blues, a purple, and a shimmery shade. Like, we'll see what it looks like. I think it's gonna be like a duochrome. I swatched them. I'll show you guys that. But we're gonna do a full-blown look. I'm so excited. I really wanted a bright yellow and a mustard, and it was like impossible to find both in an eyeshadow palette. Like, I was like, I don't want like an orange. I don't want this. I was like, I want a mustard and a bright yellow. So I made it myself. Got these from Etsy, $4.50 per shadow. I believe they have a lot of sales. And I cleaned my brushes for this, so you know what I mean. So first we are going to try the shade. And Stella's in here with me, by the way. I have a bulldog, an 80-pound bulldog. Not some like little tiny bulldog. Not that bulldogs are small, but she's going to be snoring and making noises because that's just her. And we're in a closet. That's a decent sized walk-in closet, but with a desk in here. And anyway, so we're going to try Daisy. This one right here. I thought it was going to be brighter, but okay, definitely has some kick up, as you guys can see. So I'm excited to try this though. I love trying new brands to me. This isn't a new brand, but it is new to me. Please be good. I only picked up a little bit. Also primed my eyes with the Smashbox 24-hour primer as always. And then I set my lid with a skin tone shade. Okay, definitely yellow. Sorry that my tripod's moving. Again, I have a 80-pound bulldog in here. Pretty. Definitely yellow. Brighter than I thought it was going to be. I don't want to make a mess. So, anybody see that Odin's Eye palette? I can't wait till the reveal. I'm so excited. Looks really, really good. I haven't tried anything from Odin's Eye. So I really like indie brands, as you guys can tell, especially for eyeshadows. They just have the best eyeshadows, I'm sorry. They are pigmented. They sometimes are more affordable, honestly. And you get better quality. So yeah, it's really pretty. Daisy. And then let's try the second yellow, a little bit more mustardy, called Tangy. First I was like, this is a little ridiculous, Brianna. They're gonna be the same, because sometimes in swatches they look similar, but you know. All right. And then I was showing my husband too, of course. He actually did say though that they were different, so because I swatched them. I don't know if they're gonna be super different. It provides the eye a little more depth. We are moving in 3 weeks as of today that I am filming this, and I cannot wait. One little office setup, lots of windows, lots of natural light. So beyond excited. You have no idea. No idea. I don't have to move my stuff around. I don't have to, like, I can just have things the way I want it, and it's private, and yeah. It's not its own room, but it's its own section of the house. It's, again, going to be mine. Alright, it's a little darker. I like that a lot though. Very pretty. And now this is Dijon. Because it's like a Dijon. Excited. I'm so excited. I love trying new brands and supporting small businesses. Oh my god, this is exactly what I wanted. I love this. I wanted to get more shimmers, but I was trying to be good. $35, you get free shipping. So I think they paid like $45 or something. There's so many really cool indie brands on Etsy, like MBA Cosmetics, and I think there's a couple others. I can't think of them on the top of my head. These are blending so easily. It's really pretty. So you think you're really pretty? Let me know where that reference is from. I've seen the movie, like, seriously, I watched it, I think, 20 times one day. Which you may say, oh, Brianna, that's not possible. Yes, it is. We literally had, like, a movie marathon of that movie. Loving it. Alright, I'm going to blend a little bit more, and then I'll be back. Alright, you're just going to have to hear Stella, because she's, I don't know what her deal is. She just knows something's going on, huh? She knows something's going on with the move, and Arya's gone for the week, so she's just kind of upset. She's a very sensitive dog. So yeah, let's finish this eye look. I have my, like I said, 2 shimmers. I have this yellow sparkly shade. Lighting is just, there we go. Called Lemon Drops. It's so cute. There was 2 yellow shimmer shades, and I just picked that one, and then also Prickly Pear. It looks like a white, but it has actually like pink shimmer to it. We'll just have to see what it looks like on the eye. I can just not catch a break from when I'm filming. I'm gonna get on my knees because I'm not short, but I'm not super tall. I'm 5'7", but this is just not working right now. First, I'm gonna do Lemon Drops, and then I'm gonna do the Prickly Pear in the inner part of my lid. Ooh, lots of powder. Also, barely any fallout, which is awesome. Well, a little bit, but like, this is why I do my eyes first. This dog is driving me crazy. And I put my NYX glitter glue on. Okay. Sorry that my tripod is moving. Stella is panting, as you guys can hear, like crazy. I did not adopt this dog. My husband did, but she has basically become my dog. I am her security blanket. I'm her mother. And then my husband is her protector. I know. It's okay. Jesus. Oh, Stella. Super pretty. Like a gold, but like, you know, very yellowy gold. I am loving this. Like, so happy. And then let's do this Prickly Pear. Can't wait to have better. I have a tripod with a ring light, but so the lighting in here always makes me look like I have like darker under eyes than I do and messes with things, but hey, try my best. So I think it's pretty. I love this. Super easy, cute little look. And then maybe I'll do, so I have a green, 2 blues, and a purple left to use. I don't know. I wasn't going to do an all yellow look. Maybe I'll do like blue liner or something. I'll try. I am really liking this. You could just leave it as is. This is so cute, and I love it's very summery. I'm loving that. Alright, Stella is finally out of the room, so you won't be hearing panting, hopefully, and pig noises. Alright, let's do the lower lash line. I use a combination of kind of both of the blues, which are, Winkle is the like cornflower blue, and then Lakeview is the like cool tone. I don't know what I would call it, like blue jeans. I don't know. Blue jeans can be so many different colors, you know. I'm trying to think what I want to do in the lower lash line. Like, I think I may just do it simple. I don't know. But then it's like, I want to play around. Let's do Tangy and Dijon. Tangy is the middle one, like medium kind of color. That is so pretty. I love it. Love it. I'm loving this look so much. Can't wait to get more. Let me know if you guys have tried Dandelion, because this is really cute. And these, I'm pretty sure these are handmade. They look like it, at least, which is in a good way, not a bad way. All right, and then for the inner corner, we're going to use the Prickly Pear shade, which I have in my other eye because I'm also doing a short on this. You can always wet this, but it is pretty, it's like an iridescent. It is like a white with like pink and like maybe a little bit of peach. I don't know, super pretty. How many times can I say super pretty and like super cute? Don't do this as a drinking game. You're gonna get sick. I really like this a lot. Let me know any other brands you want me to try. Palettes, single shadows. I love makeup, especially eyeshadow. With face makeup and stuff, I try different things, but eyeshadows, love eyeshadows. Also, did you notice Bite Beauty is, I think they're getting rid of all their stuff, which I'm like, no, because their mascara is the bomb. It is amazing. I love it. I don't want it to go away. Everything else I'm like okay with because I haven't really tried a lot from Bite Beauty, but like their mascara, like I'm gonna be upset if they're done with their mascara. The Upswing Full Volume. If you haven't tried it, get it now. And I'll be right back with my final look. Here's up close the look. A little dry because that's just me right now. So I still need to do some more looks to use all the shades. I need to use the green and the purple, but everything else, yeah, everything else I have used. So let me know, again, if you've tried Lion Cosmetics on Etsy. Any brands you want me to try, anything you want me to review.